matam sangna mathau tawduna leiruraba ISBT bungasi amuk recommission tawduna Manipur gi Governor Ajay Kumar Valana bus tarani thoi tongan-tonganba mapham-singgidamak lamthakhre Khomalapakta laiba ISBT complex ta pangthokiba interstate bus terminus recommission tawagi thorum aduda jury pamnone kaksing amari Fairjol district ke district transport office singsu governor na virtual mota hangdoki thorum aduga mari lenana Athoiba Mithunglen gi warol piridul Governor Ajay Kumar Valana haikibada ngasi ISBT amuk hanna Haudokliba asina makhatana miyamgi thabak tawbata natana ISBT asibu world class transport hub ama oinaba semgat kigani ISBT asi kumja ing dising aniga taram mathoida miyamgi chathok sasinda khudong chanabagi damak haudokibani adumakpu marakta matam khara mathau tawram labasu lengak amadi miyamna pamliba thak adu yaubangamdana lakhi loinana ngasi ISBT asi amuk hanna haudokwa sina miyamgi lanthum sing adu mapham chana lengakna seasonary haibadu utlibani masna district amaga sathok sasin tawba matamda khaknatana yumlona riba state sing desu sathok sasin tawbada kumang saksilagani amadi ISBT bu nongna hingat hanaba honabada achobo thodang lokhiba lengaki department sing busu mahangna thagatpa phongdokhi loinana matam sangna lepraba matung nongna interstate bus services haudokraba mapham sing adudi Imphal to None, Imphal to Tamenglong, Imphal to Urkhul, Imphal to Kamjong, Imphal to Wabagai, Imphal to Suknu, Imphal to Yengapopi, Imphal to Chandel, Imphal to Lesangtem, Imphal to Moirang, Imphal to Kaksing, Amadi Imphal to Yeripokni, Thorum Adugumari Lenana, Governor A.K. Balana, Fongdo Kibada, Nona Amuk ISBT, Matautorokpa Asina, Transportation, Amadi Communication ki Chauna Ahongwa Purakpa Ngamlagani Haike.
Today we are here not to dwell upon the past, but with a commitment to course correction. Reactivation of ISBT symbolizes our collective resolve to ensure that public infrastructure serves the rightful purpose, efficiently, responsibly, and for the welfare of people. It's just like not a transport terminal, it's an essential link that binds our state to the wider national network. By restoring its full functionality, we are strengthening connectivity within the districts, region, neighboring states and rest of India. Surface transport is a major critical pillar of our economic and social development, as mentioned by Mr. Vajpayee. Road and transport infrastructure enable mobility, facilitate trade, support